Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by checking fundamentals, open Amazon and go to Orders, then Digital Orders or the gift card section. Confirm the recipient's email, the order date, and jot down the order ID so you can reference it quickly. Sign into the sender account now. This matters because resending requires order ownership. Once signed in, navigate to that specific gift card order. Don't guess. Accuracy prevents delivery to the wrong address and speeds the whole process. You'll find the Resend option inside the order details. Click it to open the Resend dialog. Edit or confirm the recipient email address. This is why we started with the order ID, then preview or edit the message if Amazon shows a preview. Choose email as the delivery method if prompted, then click Resend. Make sure you see an on-screen confirmation and a timestamp. That confirms Amazon queued or sent the email. If it's queued, note the status so you can verify later. Once done, ask the recipient to check spam and any email filters. Many gift emails land there. If they still haven't received it, double-check the sender account's email address and that the original payment completed. Failed payments block delivery. If those are fine, contact Amazon support and provide the order ID and Resend timestamp. This gets the issue escalated. One key troubleshooting tip. Forward the confirmation email to the recipient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.